Hey, it's Sean Humphries with Dominion Lending Center's Edge Financial. Just wanted to give you a quick rundown of the TREB numbers that were released yesterday. And there are some pretty scary numbers that were included in it, including markets are down 35%. So the amount of volume that's occurred from February 2017 to February 2018 was down 35%. Well, let's take all of that with a grain of salt, because if you look at it at value, that's going to be a pretty scary number. Now, 35% year over year, February 2017 was a really record year. February is typically, on average, a pretty slow real estate month, but last year, things were flying off the shelves. Units were selling way over asking, we were getting multiple bids. It was a complete feeding frenzy in the real estate market. So we've really returned back down to what is considered a normal market. We're probably a little bit on the quiet side at this point, but it's certainly not the imploding of the market that those numbers might indicate. For example, our January 2018 sales to February 2018 sales, the sale price is up 4%. We're getting multiple listings or multiple bids on listings in the downtown core, and things are still largely a seller's market in the downtown. Now, you may also be looking, well, I live in Aurora or I live in the outskirts of the GTA. Now, that's much more of a buyer's market. There's a lot more supply. There's a lot less people that are buying things in that area, and so that is a bit more of a difference. But in terms of the overall market, there's a lot of positive things that are happening. The economy is still good. The job numbers are still looking fantastic, but if you look at the overall numbers, it's going to seem extremely scary. Now, that 4% rise in price from January to February 2018, if you look at the year-over-year numbers, it's a 12% drop in sale price from 17 to 2018 in February. Now, the market was going really hot, and it was a record year in February, so I encourage everyone, when they're looking at those numbers or hearing those headlines, to really pull it back, take a look at what overall it means. We're heading towards a recovery, and we're really in a much more healthy real estate market than we were at this time last year. So the reality is there's a lot of supply. New construction is doing really well. We've had we had an Artist Alley downtown that went up and sold 200 units in 2 days. So it's certainly not the implosion of the market that we're seeing on multiple fronts. So if you have any questions, or if you'd like me to help you with your mortgage, you can reach out to me at seanhumphries.ca. And I'm Sean Humphries with Dominion Lending Center's Edge Financial. Thanks so much.